What the market makers were doing with the price for the last 24 hours is absolutely insane. Although we corrected all the way below the $90,000, we actually closed our daily candle successfully above the $94,400 level, which is a bit bullish daily candle close. As I told you yesterday, it is absolutely insane how much of a shakeout we saw. And now the question is, are we finally reversing into the direction of a new all-time high? What price levels am I keeping an eye on? Why did I scale up my short position here at this exact price level once again aggressively? I will let you know all of this in today's video. Make sure to subscribe, activate the bell, smash up a like, comment down below. I try to give every comment a thumbs up and a heart if I see them between all these bot comments that all these crypto videos always have, sadly. But now let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the charts. As you guys know, we were expecting a wick below the $90,000 level, and we were a little bit cautious as we thought that there might be a bearish confirmation coming in on the daily time frame, as you remember from my last video. We got all the liquidations as we expected. We liquidated everything in the higher $80,000 and also right above the $90,000 level where there was still significant liquidations to be caught by the market makers. And now we reverse to the upside. I mean, if we're looking on the 2-week time frame, we also here took all the liquidations that were coming in recently on the short side. So for now, actually on the liquidation heat map, we don't have any interesting price levels for the market makers to get liquidity. So I think that we don't need to be all too worried that we will see a huge manipulative move like we saw over the last 24 hours once again. On the Bitcoin ETFs, this is something that will be very interesting for today, as yesterday the market was already closed for the Bitcoin ETFs once this massive reversal happened. So all of the Bitcoin ETF traders got also caught up in this massive market maker manipulation. And we need to keep in mind here that the money that went out might come in today again as soon as the markets open, just because the people did not expect such a bullish daily candle reversal in such a short amount of time, right? So it will be highly interesting if we can see bullish ETF inflows today, because if so, this would be the first sign that we might be able to break our very important resistances tomorrow that I will let you know now what they are exactly. It is very simple, guys. First of all, we don't want to close a daily candle below the $95,200 level. If this happens, we would definitely just see a massive shakeout to the downside, a massive shakeout to the upside, and then we are closing our daily candle again in the exact price zone where we don't know exactly where the price will go next. So it will just lead to extra confusion. As you guys know, 94,400, 95,200, these are the levels I've been talking about for a couple of days that need to be broken with a daily candle close in the best case, and at the end of the day with a weekly candle close in the best case, right? To have a final confirmation in which direction we are moving, and we didn't have that so far. For now, we have an exact resistance level that is still in our way before we can reach actually the $100,000, where our downward sloping resistance of our falling wedge is coming in, but then also a new all-time high and our 11-year resistance again. And as you guys know, our 11-year resistance is now approximately at the $112,000. So even this resistance would not keep us from reaching a new all-time high and breaking the $108,000 level finally to the upside. This price level is pretty easy. It is pretty much the $97,500 to $98,000 level. We have our 50-day moving average coming in here. The 50-day moving average, we definitely want to break above it and close a daily candle above it. As you can see, as soon as we managed to close a daily candle also with our last correction above it, we saw some very nice and aggressive upside to the resistance, and I'm expecting the same. As soon as we are breaking and closing a daily candle above our 50-day moving average, we will see more upside and we will retest the $100,000 within this or early next week. And on top of that, guys, it's not only our 50-day moving average that I'm keeping an eye on. No, at this exact price level, it's not only the 50-day moving average. No, there's also our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So these are the two resistances that are definitely in need to be broken to the upside before we can continue our run to the $100,000. Until this has not happened, I will actually remain in my short position. And yes, guys, As I know personally myself as well, if we are closing the daily candle above the 50-day moving average, if we are closing a couple 4-hourly candles within or above our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement zone, I will more or less be guaranteed to be stopped out, even with my old entry for this trade. So what I decided now is that I'm fully speculating, and this is, as you know, I'm fully honest and transparent here with you guys. We already took $20,000 out of profit from this short trade, right? So there is not really anything I can lose. This trade wouldn't have brought us more profits either way if we are now continuing to the upside. So what I did now is aggressively scale this trade up. And I also updated you on this in my free content on Levex. As you guys know, no matter if you are signed up with someone's affiliate link, if you are not signed up with someone's affiliate link, just go and type here in the search CryptoMo, go to my profile, follow me there for free, because what you can get then is my exclusive posts that I'm just sharing with you. It is my exact take profits, my exact entry prices, and also a little bit earlier before this video I already mentioned to the people that are following me there as well that the 0.618 and the 50-day will be a resistance, and that I will be scaling up my trade to be prepared for a rejection from these levels, because if we're not rejected, I'm definitely expecting 100K, and then we can look at the smaller time frames if we will be able to break this downward sloping resistance plus the 100K psychological level, and then I definitely see Bitcoin skyrocketing to a new all-time high, to the back to the 11-year resistance in a very short amount of time. So this is why I'm just risking it. I cannot lose any money. My stop loss remains in a profit. And if we see this rejection and the market makers are really just manipulating the market, at least we can play along and grab this bearish daily candle close. If this is the plan for the market makers, we can grab it with a very nice short entry and a very big short entry, just because then I really have to say we will have big uncertainty, and if this daily candle closes below the 95,200, we need to expect more downside to come in. But I hope that we see the bullish scenario, guys. I really do. As you guys know, we are always long-term bullish with our HODL portfolio, so I definitely want to see that we are able, and the bulls are able, to succeed within the next 24 to 48 hours to break the $97,500 to $98,000 level to the upside, where we will then leave our 0.618 FIB and our 50-day moving average behind, and definitely start seeing some more bullish momentum coming in at the 100,000, and especially after the $100,000 level, as we would then have a successful breakout out of our falling wedge that we are forming here on the daily time frame. But now, guys, make sure to subscribe, activate the bell, smash up a like. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and keep an eye, as I said, on the ETF inflows and outflows for today. This might be a first indication of what to expect for tomorrow if the price is not able to immediately now close above these important resistances that I just named here in today's video. And for now, guys, we are going to see us in the next one. I hope you enjoyed. See you soon. Bye. Bye.